Welcome to NBGI E Unnao Class 9 Subject SST. Today's topic is a major physical division. Major physical divisions I have told you in the previous class कि most India has divided in the 5 major physical features. First is a mountain range situated in the north part of the India, and second is a plain area. Second is the plain area situated in the north part of India. Third is a desert. Desert is situated in the western part of the India, and fourth is a plateau area situated in the middle part of the India, and fifth middle and south part of the India, and fifth is a island. Two island in India is first is a Lakshadweep and second is a Andaman Nicobar island also. And I have firstly I have teach you about the mountain range. Mountain range are situated in the north part of the north part of the India. We call to Himalaya mountain range also. It was a natural border of the India because the big hills also big hills are situated in the Himalaya, and it was the youngest and fold mountain range. So he created the natural border in the north part of the India. So it is a very important for the security also, and he was protect the Siberian cold Siberian's wind to India also, and he was mainly the Himalaya divided into three main mountain range. Firstly is a Greater Himalaya, and we also called the Inner Himalaya, and second is a Himachal या Lesser Himalaya or Himadri. Third is a Outer Himalaya या Lesser Himalaya. So we have divided in the three part also, and the mountain range, the Himalaya mountain are extended in the west to east, and mostly divided in the fourth part, situated between the two rivers, main two rivers. First is Indus and Brahmaputra, and he divided in the fourth part. First is a Sindh to Indus to Satluj. Second is a Satluj to Kali. Third is a Kali to Tista, and fourth is a Brahmaputra, Tista to Brahmaputra. Firstly, Indus to Satluj, two rivers between the Himalaya, we have called to Punjab Himalaya. Second is a between the two rivers Satluj to Kali, we have called to Kumayu Himalaya, and third is a Kali to Tista, we have says to Nepal Himalaya, and fourth is the Tista between with Tista to Brahmaputra, we have says the Assam Himalaya. And so you have read and write about the Himalaya. Thank you.